Hey guys, Mr. Picabo here, and today I'm doing a third sneezing challenge. This one is gonna be where if 3 times where I can how I sneeze in public and how I sneeze at home. This one was suggested by a different person. I'll be right back and I'll tell you who it was suggested by. Okay, his username was Tico58501. And so I got 3 Q-tips. These three are for sneezing in public. These 3 are for sneezing at home. Anyways, let's get to this, shall we? This one is going to be sneezing in public. In a church. I'm sorry about that. What the freak did I just do? Okay, first off, seriously, that is not how I sneeze in public. I don't know what the big achoo was all about. But yeah, so let's just do second one. Okay, let's do this. Number 2. In public. Crud. Did I say where? I don't remember. Oh well. I'm just gonna restart all of that. How I sneeze in school. Okay, let's do this now. That's how I sneeze in Sorry for coughing in your face. That's how I sneeze in school. Okay, finally, last but not least, public sneezing in, drumroll please, in a public store. Let's do this. That's how. That's how I. That's how I sneeze in a public grocery store. Now let's get to home. At home. I'm not sure how to explain this, but in my backyard. Freaking dumb! That's in my backyard. I don't know how to explain it. There's only one place you can sneeze in your home, and that's in your home. Up in your bedroom, what is the difference? But, oh well. Let's get to number 2. In your living room with your family, your entire family in it. Okay, last but not least. In someone else's room. Okay, let's get started. Happy tie, coin tie. Freaking stupid chest congestion. Alright guys, that was it. Sorry. Alright guys, that was it for today. Hope you like it, and Mr. Cowboy out. Hold on. Wait a minute. 1 second. I'm forgetting something. I know what I'm forgetting. Subscribe to that person that I told you about in the beginning of the video. That sent me this idea, because that's right. If you send me ideas, I subscribe to you. I forgot to tell you that the last video I made. But anyways, crud, this chair's too short. Anyways, so subscribe to that person, subscribe to me, because I'm awesome. And see you later. Bye-bye.